I think of heaven, never meet a black-winged bird. I think of flying, and it's kind of free of pins and feathers, all of the instruments of faith and sex and God in the belly of a black-winged bird. Don't try to feed me, 'cause I've been here before, and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen. I belong anywhere but in between. She's been crying, and I've been thinking, and I am the rain king. Mama, 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 why am I so low? I can't go outside 'cause I'm scared that I might not make it home. I'm alive, I'm alone, but I'm thinking, been anyone home? Darling, why don't you invite me in? Don't try to read me, 'cause I've been here before, and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen. I belong anywhere but in between. And I've been thinking that I am the rain king. And I only walk the same as anyone. Praying for the sun, big and after all this dreaming, I come home again. When I think of heaven, never meet a black-winged bird. When he died in a fate of fame and heather, body into the burning heart of God in the belly of a black-winged bird. Don't try to freeze me, 'cause I've been here before, and I deserve a little more. I belong in the service of the Queen. I belong anywhere but in between. She's been crying, I've been drinking, and I am the rain king. I said I am the rain king. Well, I said yeah, 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 yeah. Well, I am the rain king. Yeah. Counting Crows, Rain King, performed by Erik.